Hey everybody, short video today covering rock chips or dings in your grills of the 2020 through 2022 Shelby GT500. Good news, bad news. Good news is we have metal grills in these cars versus black plastic. The bad news that comes with that is the metal grills have a thin black coating on them that when they get pelted with rocks, rubber debris at the track, harder insects, it removes the black coating and you're left with shiny metal that really stands out against the black metal, black painted background. This video is going to cover what to do to solve that problem. All right, taking a look at the grills. It doesn't show up the greatest on camera here, but my grills have a ton of chips, little dings, places where the black coating has been removed. If you spend any time on the track, you get pelted by rocks and pebbles, rubber bits from cars ahead of you. Same on the streets. You eventually get a bunch of little dings in your grills due to harder insects and pebbles and stuff like that. So if you want this all to look good and black, here is the trick. So this is the key. You could use a Sharpie, but I find this works way better. So this is just a big wide tip paint pen. Come up here and just freaking paint the whole, don't try to hit just the chips, I just paint the whole thing black again. Get rid of all the little chips. Just brush over the whole thing, the black dries, looks like new again. It's kind of shiny reflective there, but that looks better than all these little chips like you see there. Chips, lots of chips. All done. I brushed the entire set of grills, top, bottom, both left and right. All black, no chips. Looking good. Well, that's it. Quick and simple solution. I've painted mine multiple times in this car, but my car spends a lot of time on the track. I've probably gone over my grills a handful of times, make them look new every time. Thanks for watching. See you next time.